যখন প্রথম ধরেছে কোলে আমার মল্লিকা বনে, যখন প্রথম ধরেছে কোলে।
Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I did this makeup look, and this is a Poila Boishakh makeup look, guys, and it's super easy. Poila Boishakh is a Bengali New Year celebration and I'm super excited about this video. I don't think I have done a Poila Boishakh look in my channel ever, so I was really excited to do this look. While searching the internet, I found this beautiful picture of Nusrat Jahan and I got so inspired to do this look. It looked so elegant yet so simple and very classy, and that is the look that I always love. So with the flowers and the lal shari and the lal teep, everything comes together. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this makeup look, then please keep watching. So I'm going to prep my skin first because it's very important to nourish your skin before you start applying makeup, because that creates a flawless base. I have a pigmented forehead, like the sides of my forehead, they're pigmented, so I have been trying out products. Recently I've been trying out this 2% alpha arbutin face serum by the Dermaco. It reduces dark spots and blemishes. Dark spots and pigmentation, they happen due to a lot of reasons, like, you know, exposure to the UV rays, blue light from the screens, harsh lights that I shoot under, or sometimes it can also be hereditary. Alpha arbutin fades away pigmentation, age spots, acne marks, melasma, and it evens out the skin tone. This keeps away the dark spots and tan, and your skin gets back its natural glow and it looks radiant. Arbutin is far gentler than other skin brightening agent and is much more safer for all skin types. It's also got hyaluronic acid that hydrates the skin by holding the moisture. It retains collagen, and it's also got tartaric acid, which is an alpha hydroxy acid, which is commonly known as AHA, which also lightens pigmented areas and it treats melasma. What I do is I massage 2 to 3 drops of the serum on my entire face and massage it gently until the serum gets absorbed. I use it twice daily, in the morning and at night. I make sure to use a sunscreen after applying this, and it does not matter if I'm not going out or if I'm stepping out, I anyway apply a sunscreen. The reason why I love using the products from the Dermaco is because they use ingredients which are safe and which are effective, and they always disclose the percentage of ingredients they're using, which is amazing. You can use code SUSH20 to get 20% off. However, this is valid only on their website, which is thedermaco.com. These products are also available on Nykaa, Amazon, and Flipkart. Alright guys, I'm super excited, and now I'm going to start the makeup. I already did my hair. It's very easy. You just have to part your hair and tie it in a bun, and then just put flowers on it, and that's it. Nusrat's face is very glowy. The main focus is on her skin, so I am just going to do the same. First product that I'm going to use is the MAC Strobe Cream. This is in the shade Pinklite. I'm just going to take a pea size and apply it all over my face. এই লুকটার জন্য স্কিনটা প্রেপ করা খুবই ইম্পর্টেন্ট, টু গ্লোই রাখাটা খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট। মাইগেট এসেছে, বিরিয়ানি অর্ডার করেছি আজকে। আই ডোন্ট গো টু রেস্টুরেন্টস মাচ, এখন তো আরোই যাচ্ছে না, বিকজ করোনা আবার বাড়ছে। বি ভেরি সেফ গাইজ, আর নয়তো আমার মতো তোমরা সবাই বাইরের থেকে খাবার অর্ডার করে খেতে পারো। নেক্সট আই এম গোনা ইউজ দিস Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD Ace of Base Radiance Primer. This gives a very beautiful golden shine to your skin. The foundation I'm going to use is by K-Beauty, and this is in the shade Medium, and I'm going to use this for the very first time. I'm just going to take this much and then just have it on my skin. Oh, it's a nice match. Wow, I actually love the finish of the foundation. It gives a beautiful glow and the coverage is really good, and it seems like it's buildable. Also, I don't use any beauty filters in any of my videos, so you can actually see what the foundation looks like on my skin. For my concealer, I'm going to use the Elegant Pro Conceal HD Concealer, and this is in the shade Pure Beige. It blends super easily and it gives a flawless, finish under your eyes. To highlight my under eye area, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is in the shade Beige 314. I'm going to highlight this area and the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow and chin. But just a tiny amount. Now I'm going to use a powder to set my under eye area, and today I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and I really love the kind of flawless finish it gives. I'm just going to take some on my beauty sponge and blend it. It instantly gives a very airbrushed finish to the under eye area. Now for my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil. This is called Brow Definer in the shade dark brown, and I'm quickly going to fill in my brows. I don't usually change the shape of my brows because this is just an inspired look. I just don't really want to look exactly like her. So, just enhancing your own features and getting inspired from her makeup and doing that. Now the fun part, I am going to go in with my eyes. And guys, it is a super easy look. She's got a warm brown eyeshadow all over her eyelids. I'm going to take this eyeshadow palette from Lakme. This eyeshadow palette is from Lakme. This is in the shade Smokin Glam. In the crease of my eyes, I'm going to use this eyeshadow. Just going to put this shade in the crease of my eyes. And I'm going to take this eyeshadow, this is a warm brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to put it all over my eyelids. And just extend it a little bit. Not much, just a little bit. Just blend it really nicely so that there are no harsh lines. And with this one, I'm just going to mix in the previous shade, which I applied in the crease, just to lighten it up a little bit. I'm also going to apply this on my lower lash line. So I'm going to use the same eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take this black and just line my upper lash line very close to the lashes, just for a little bit of definition. I'm going to do the same to the other eye. So when you don't use a kajal, it looks very diffused, which kind of looks smoky also, and it gives a beautiful definition to your eyes. It looks really pretty. A kajal, on the other hand, is a little bit more harsh than an eyeshadow. I'm just going to extend it a little bit. Just the lightest touch. And then taking this dark brown shade, this one, I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. The tiniest amount. Just like this. Now I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to apply mascara. And the mascara I'm going to use is from Huda Beauty. This is the Legit Lashes Mascara. And I'm going to use the curl and length side. This mascara is awesome. If you can see, it's beautiful. It lifts up my lashes. It gives a beautiful shape to the lashes. Okay, now moving on to contour and blush and highlight, all my favorites. So for contour, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. I'm going to use this shade. I'm not going to contour much. I'm just going to contour just a little bit. My jawline and just a little bit on my forehead. Now I'm going to contour my nose a little bit. For the blush, I'm going to use K-Beauty blush. And this is their matte blush in the shade Sugar Candy. This is a really nice peachy blush. The blush is very, very pigmented, so I just have to be very careful with this. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the blush and then just tapping it in my hand and then applying the rest. A little bit on the nose and my chin. Now for the highlighter, I'm going to use K-Beauty highlighter, and this is in the shade Sunlit Gold. Her face is covered with highlighter, and that's what I'm going to do. This is a beautiful highlighter. It's a beautiful gold shade. And it's perfect for any festival. On my nose, Cupid's bow, my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. My brow bone area, and the inner corners of my eyes, and then I'm just going to blend everything with my beauty blender. On top of this, I'm going to use the Milani Make It Last setting powder. It is in the shade Radiant. I'm just going to take whatever is left on the cap and apply it. Gives a beautiful glow to your face. For lipstick, I'm going to use the Sugar Mettle lipstick. This is in the shade Diana. This is in the shade number 10. I'm going to add a little bit of orange to it. This is also the Sugar Mettle Shine lipstick in the shade Augusta 06. I'm just going to dab it a little bit. I just put on some eyelashes, and this is from Nykaa, Natural Volume. And now I'm going to put on a bindi, and this completes the look. Alright guys, I'm done with the look finally. This is a very easy look, and with the flowers and everything, it looks beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to quickly dress up and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it. I just wore a lal Thakai shari and a golden blouse. I think the teep and the lal Thakai shari completes the look, and obviously the flowers. And guys, have a very, very happy Poila Boishakh and be safe. তোমাদের সবাইকে অনেক শুভেচ্ছা পয়লা বৈশাখের নতুন বছরের। এই বছরটা যেন খুব ভালো করে কাটাও, সবাই সুস্থ থেকো, আর আমার অনেক অনেক ভালোবাসা। And I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.